Hey there, future surfers! Choosing the right surfboard as a beginner is super important because it can be the difference between catching lots of waves or none at all. There are two main types of surfboards perfect for beginners, and in this video we'll dive into their characteristics. But first, let's talk about the 5 major types of surfboards. 1. Foam boards. These are ideal for beginners because they're super floaty, they provide plenty of stability and easy to learn on in a safer way. There is less risk of injury when you wipe out and hit your board. You're less likely to get hurt since the fins are softer too. 2. Longboards. Ranging from 8 to 12 feet long, longboards are great for surfing all year round. They have loads of flotation, making them suitable for everyone from beginners to advanced surfers. 3. Funboards. These range from 6.5 to 8.5 feet with a wide, round shape. They are the perfect in-between board as they're halfway between longboards and fish. If you've been practicing on a longboard and aren't quite ready for a shortboard or a fish, this is your next step for beginner surfers. 4. Fish. With a wide nose, wide shape, shallow tail, and twin fins, fish surfboards have more volume than other shortboards and work well in soft waves. 5. Shortboards. These are designed for high performance and good surfing conditions. These boards should only be ridden by advanced surfers. A common mistake is beginners choosing this, which can slow down their progress. So the best ones for learning and early progressions are foam boards or longboards. So which one should you pick? Pay attention to these factors. 1. Volume. The most important element for beginners. Volume gives you an idea of how buoyant the board is in the water. It depends on thickness, length, and width. More flotation means faster paddling, more waves with less effort, and quicker rides. However, more volume also makes it harder to maneuver and turn. Beginners should go for boards with a lot of volume, between 60 to 100 liters. Extra volume won't hurt. Consider these 3 factors. Surfer's weight. Heavier surfers needs more volume. Surfing conditions. Bigger surfboards are better for small and weak waves. Extra foam gives you more speed. Surfing experience and paddling practice. Beginners with some paddling experience can go for less volume. 2. Rocker. This is the surfboard's curve, the banana shape, of a surfboard, from nose to tail. Rocker can be weak or strong, and you can tell by looking at the board's profile. It's crucial because it affects how the board performs in the water and how fast it glides. Generally, advanced boards have more rocker, while intermediate to advanced boards have flatter rocker. The logic is that the board needs enough curve for the steeper parts of the wave to avoid nosediving. So what's the best for beginners? Big surfboards with loads of volume and a flat rocker. This helps the board glide on the water surface with minimal resistance. A flat rocker makes it easier to paddle and gives you more time to practice angling on the wave. The downside of a flat rocker is it's harder to do maneuvers, but that's not important for beginners who just want to catch as many waves as possible. Happy surfing and catch you on the next wave!
If this helped you, hit subscribe. We've got 100 more lessons just like this, from pop-ups to barrel riding. Link to the full written guide is in the description. See you in the next one.